Hello and welcome to today's lesson titled Transport in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name different types of transport in Afrikaans. For this lesson, we will revise the weekdays lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows: ry, ry, ride, vlieg, vlieg, fly, sail, 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 vervoer, transport, kar, kar, car, bus, 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 trein, trein, train, goudtrein, goudtrein, goudtrein. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a royalty-free photo for the goudtrein, so you'll have to do a Google search to see what the goudtrein really looks like. Now, Gauteng is a province in South Africa. So Gau is short for Gauteng, and they call it the Gautrain because it operates in Gauteng. Boot, boot, boot. Seiljag, seiljag, seiljag. Yacht, skip, skip. Ship, veerboot, veerboot, veerboot. Ferry, helikopter, helikopter, helicopter. Canoe, canoe. And in English, pretty much the same, canoe, just different spelling. Duikboot, duikboot. Submarine, vliegtuig, vliegtuig, vliegtuig. Aeroplane, warmlugballon, warmlugballon, warmlugballon. Hot air balloon. Fiets, fiets. Bicycle, bromponie, bromponie. Scooter, motorfiets, motorfiets. Motorbike or motorbicycle. Trok, trok, truck. Huurmotor, huurmotor, huurmotor. Taxi. Now in South Africa, we don't have these yellow cab taxis. We have taxis that look like minibuses or vans. They are the most common. And I also couldn't find a royalty-free photo for those. So again, you can just do a Google search. Caravan, caravan, caravan. Caravan. Caravan can also be called a woonwa in Afrikaans. Woonwa. WOONWA. Ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. Brandweerwa, brandweerwa. Fire truck. Tramwa, tramwa. Tram. Tracker, tracker, tractor. Ruimteskip, ruimteskip, ruimteskip. Spaceship. Vuurpyl, vuurpyl. Rocket. Stootskraper, Stootskraper. Stootskraper. Bulldozer. Graafmasjien. 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 Excavator. Menger. 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 Mixer. Koets. Koets. Carriage. Sleepwa. Sleepwa. Trailer. Bakkie. Bakkie. Pickup truck. Kabelkar. Kabelkar. Cable car. And this photo I can see is taken from Table Mountain in Cape Town. So this photo is actually from South Africa. Okay, so now we're gonna look at our activity. Activiteit. Vind die woord wat beste pas by die sin. Find the word that matches best with the sentence. So here are your words. Water, teerpad, lug, treinspoor, grondpad. And you have to match them with the following sentences. Okay, so water is water, teerpad is a tar road, lug is the sky. Be careful because you get another one, lig, which is spelled L-I-G, which means light. So L-I-G is light, while L-U-G, lug, is the sky. Next one is treinspoor, railroad. And the last one is grondpad, gravel road. A trein ry op a, and then you have to fill in one of the words at the bottom. Die bakkie ry op a. A vliegtuig vlieg in die. Die trok ry op a. A boot sail op. So quickly fill that in and then we'll look at your answers. Alrighty, let's have a look at your answers. So there are the words you had to use. First one, a trein ry op a treinspoor, a railroad. Die bakkie ry op a grondpad, gravel road. Now if you said teerpad here, tar road, that's also correct. A vliegtuig vlieg in die lug, the sky. Die trok ry op a teerpad, tar road. Again, if you said grondpad here, that's also correct. A boot sail op water, water. So let's quickly go through them once again. A trein ry op a treinspoor. A train rides on a railroad. Die bakkie ry op a grondpad. The pickup truck is riding on a gravel road. A vliegtuig vlieg in die lug. A plane flies in the sky. Die trok ry op a teerpad. The truck is riding on a tar road. A boot sail op water. A boat sails on water. Now, let's say you have a 5-day holiday coming up, and these are the things you want to do on those days. On Monday, you want to take the cable car. Maandag, kabelkar. Tuesday, bus. Dinsdag, bus. Woensdag, trein. Donderdag, boot. Vrydag, vliegtuig. Now use the schedule from the previous slide to answer the following questions. I've also added the schedule from the previous slide here in the corner for easy reference. Dinsdag gaan ons blank ry. So whenever I say blank, that's where you fill in the word. Blank gaan ons in 'n vliegtuig vlieg. Woensdag gaan ons blank ry. Blank gaan ons kabelkar ry. Donderdag gaan ons met 'n seil. Let's have a look at your answers. Antwoorde. Dinsdag gaan ons bus ry. Vrydag gaan ons in 'n vliegtuig vlieg. Woensdag gaan ons trein ry. Maandag gaan ons kabelkar ry. Donderdag gaan ons met 'n boot seil. So, based on this lesson, as well as on the weekdays lesson, I think you should pretty much understand what this all is in English. But for those who might still be lost, let's quickly do the English. Dinsdag gaan ons bus ry. Tuesday, we are going to ride a bus. Vrydag gaan ons in 'n vliegtuig vlieg. Friday, we are going to fly in a plane. Woensdag gaan ons trein ry. Wednesday, we are going to ride a train. Maandag gaan ons kabelkar ry. Monday, we are going to ride a cable car. Donderdag gaan ons met 'n boot seil. Thursday, we are going to sail a boat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Dankie dat julle gekyk het en ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien.